Welcome back to The Average Kitchen. Jamie here, and today we're bringing you the brand new Ninja EverClad commercial grade stainless steel 12-piece pot and pan set. Now, this video is just an unboxing, a little first look at it, and our plan is to, in 6 months, to bring you a review to see how it's gone after the 6 months, because obviously brand new right now, it's gonna be fine. But let's get into the box. So we're into the box here. So this does come with a lifetime guarantee. The stainless steel probably is part of the reason for that. We do get a lot of comments. So we've done other pan and pot review videos, and usually they're like a non-stick coating. We got a lot of comments about how those are toxic, or I don't know, pieces can flake off into your food. Maybe that's true. I don't know anything about it. Comment below if that's a concern of yours. So we've got a quick start guide. I don't know how you start quick with this, but anyway. All right, so we start off with 2 lids.
Handsome lids.
Very handsome looking. All right, got our first pot here. I would say that's maybe an 8-inch. Extremely handsome looking products, I must say. Mark, you'd agree?
I agree 100%.
Look at that.
And just feel free to throw garbage all over my kitchen. I'm totally fine with that.
Okay, good. It will be picked up at some point.
Nice looking.
This little saucepan. Wow. Okay.
Jamie's getting excited.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's your big boy there.
A lot of lids here.
Lids being pots though.
Okay, we've got our first little pan. I mean, even this is nice looking. Oh, look at that. Oh yeah.
Wow.
Now, what do you think of that, Mark?
That is a stainless steel pan.
Is it ever?
Now, did you mention price point on this?
I did not, but I'm glad you asked. So this was, I believe, $349 American. Not cheap, but I suppose when you're getting something they claim is commercial grade, you expect to pay a bit of a premium. And so far, everything seems super high quality. Would you agree with that, Mark?
Oh, I agree with you.
There's your pot.
Measurements in the inside, which is nice.
Oh yeah?
Well, on this big pot.
The pot?
5 liters.
Hold on, let me look at that. Oh, you're right, can you?
5 liters, 5 quarts.
Okay. Cardboard for days. Oh.
Oh.
Oh yeah, look at that now. Okay, oh yeah. There's your big boy. Wow. Okay, let me move this. That's it. That's in for the box.
Minimal packaging.
Yeah, just a little bit of packaging. So, all right. So there's your set. There's the 12-piece set. I mean, it looks unbelievable. The stainless steel looks amazing. The first impression here, fantastic. I'm excited to start using them. So comment below if you want to see that follow-up video. We're planning on doing it in about 6 months. So here's the whole set right in front of me here. It looks fantastic. The quality looks great. It sounds great. You've got the branding on the bottom there. I'm really impressed so far. We're planning on doing a follow-up on this. Comment below if you want to see that. My plan is to put this through daily use. I'm not going to go easy on it. I'm just going to use it as I normally would. I have a gas stove at home, so just to give you a little taste of what this is going to go through. I'll do my best to use all of it as much as I can. Of course, some will be used more than others, but that's just a normal kitchen. But I'll report back in that video that we're planning on doing in 6 months on, you know, which I use the most, what I usually cooked in it, all that kind of stuff. And we'll see how it held up with the finish, with the, you know, does it warp at all that kind of stuff we're going to talk about. So
it's safe to say you're putting it to the dishwasher.
I will definitely be putting it in the dishwasher unless somewhere in here tells me not to. So we just talked about the dishwasher safe version, if Mark can kind of get Little zoom in there. This is my worst nightmare, if you know anything about me from the average kitchen. Hand washing. But
What does it say in bold letters? Do not.
do not, well, it doesn't say dishwasher, but it says do not use oven cleaners. Why would you use an oven cleaner? Steel wool, steel scouring pads, harsh detergents or detergents containing bleach or peroxide. Only nylon scouring pads should be used. So no mention of a dishwasher. I'm gonna look over this a little more closely, but at first glance,
It does say hand wash.
it does say hand washing, but that's okay. We'll see how it goes. If you want to support us, hit that subscribe button below. If you want to buy this stuff based on this first look, I'm going to put the link to buy it in the description below. That's our video. Hope you liked it. We'll see you in the next one.